birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Louder, come on. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Let's clap our hands all together. Happy birthday to you. Louder. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
And everybody shout happy birthday, Ron!
Happy birthday, Ron!
Yes, so let's hear from our birthday boy himself. Nakay birthday wish, before ka mag-blow sa mga candle. Ron, nakay birthday wish, si mong style, since your mom is just right over here. Do you have a wish? Okay, secret everybody. Okay. Okay, let's have our beautiful mommy right here. You have any birthday message for our birthday boy, madam?
Health lang and good boy for me.
Hey, palakpakan, everybody! There you go. Now I want you to count. Okay, I want you to count from 3 down to 1. Okay? Kids, count with me. Everybody, go! 3, 2, 1, blow! Yay! Well, Red Ranch is now officially 4 years old. Palakpakan, everybody! Yay! Happy birthday to you! There you go. And of course, kids, you will not go home empty-handed because our birthday boy room will have something for you, which is the giveaways. Later, mag-play pa ka og pabitin and party food.